Hello, hello, 各位观众朋友。If you can hear me, you type 1, okay? If you can hear me, please type 1. Please type 1 in the chat box if you are able to hear me. Hi. So, one. Yes, okay. Yes, okay, cool. All right. Today we're going to talk about counting module. Yes, okay, I can see a lot of people can hear me. Okay, thank you. All right, let's wait until 7:40. 7:40 sharp, we will start our mini class today. Yeah, a lot of 1, good job. Okay, today counting module is also very important. Why? Because it's also another must come up question. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for another 3 more minutes. Is there any echo sound? All right. Okay, let's see. Do you have any question regarding yesterday lesson? The number theory. Only the 3 biggest type. Let's revise, quick revision, okay? Always bridge method, Fibonacci sequence, double dragon. Always these 3 types. Right. Okay, you can hear me, you can type a 1. All right, 2 more minutes, we're gonna start. Any question regarding last week homework? Not last week, yesterday, number pattern. Any question regarding that one? And I want to say good job to all the kids. You did very well. You did a very good. I mean, all the questions, most of our questions you did correctly. Good job. Give yourself a big applause. Yesterday, most of our kids answer 3 out of 3, all question correct. Is it 3 question? 5 out of 5. All question correct. I can remember most of you get all question correct. No. All right. Okay, we still have 1 more minute. We're gonna start counting. Always 2 types. Counting, always 2 types. We will start at 7:40 sharp. One more minute. You didn't come yesterday. It's okay. It's okay. You can rewatch it. You can watch the playback later. Don't worry. All right. Okay, I think we can start now. It's 7:40. So parents, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, today we will learn about counting. Counting in SASMO, always 2 different kind of questions will come up. It's either 2D or 3D. Let's see what are the questions, 2D and 3D. All right. For 2D, the common types the question will come up is square, triangles. Square and triangle is out of the most common one. All right, let's see the first diagram here. This diagram. How many squares are there actually? You can see. Is it only 4? Is it only 4? How many squares are there here actually? There should be 5. Very good job. I see some correct answer. Why is it 5? First of all, when you never learned this question before, you can do as me, okay? Label and count in order. Math is all about orders, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems to have 4 small squares inside. So let me write down. Square made out of 1 small square. What are they? You have square number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. After you label, you count it 1 by 1. Like this, you will not make any mistake. So here you have 4 small squares inside. Is there any bigger square beside the 1 by 1 square? Good job. I see a lot of correct answer. They will have a 2 by 2 square like this, right? So what is the tips you can do, you can draw when you have a 2 by 2 square? To make you confused, you can draw a circle in between. All right, let me change another color. Okay, to remind yourself, you can draw a circle in between the cross. Here is a 2 by 2 square. Can you see this? So you have one 2 by 2 square, largest one. All together, you will have 5 square inside. So this is the first type of square question that will come out. All right, what about this time? This time you have 1, 2, 3, label 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Square made out of one small square. You have 9 small square inside. Okay, 9 1 by 1 square. What about 2 by 2 square? You expand. 2 by 2 square is also a square. What you can do? You can circle the middle. Can I circle the corner here? Can I circle the corner? Yes, good job, Sharon. Good job. 4 squares make another square. Good job. All right. So here, you cannot circle the corner. All you need to do is circle the middle of the large square. So where is the large square? Here. 2 by 2 large square here. Circle the middle to remind yourself. Here is a large square. Another large square will be 2, 3, 5, 6. So circle the middle. Then after you done the first layer, you go to second layer. 4, 5, 7, 8 will have another 2 by 2 square. 5, 6, 8, 9 is another 2 by 2 square. Right, so all together, you have 4 2 by 2 square. Until here, is that okay? All right, beside 2 by 2 square, is there any square bigger than 2 by 2? Yes, here you can have a 3 by 3 square. Do you realize that? How many 3 by 3 square do you have? The largest one, correct? Largest one here. All together, you only have 1 3 by 3 square. So in total, it will be 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is, use the best friend pair. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14 square inside. For those who previously learned the fast method, you can just come up with the question come up with the answer within 3 seconds. All right, good job if you come up with the 14, answer 14. Well done. This one is the easiest, basic one. Now let's look at this kind of question. It's not a regular 3 by 3 asking you how many square inside. It's an irregular shape. So again, the method won't change. You label, you count it 1 by 1. So here, how many 1 by 1 square? You label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9. Do you have any larger square? Do you have any larger square? Yes, you have. So where is it? 2 by 2 square. So what you need to do when you have a 2 by 2 square? You need to circle the middle. So here, need to circle the middle. Circle the middle. You observe. Like photostat machine, observe from the left to the right in order. All together, you will have 2 by 2 square. Okay, now, do you have even larger square? 3 by 3 square. Is there 3 by 3 square here? Good job, good job. What is the quick way? What is the quick way? Some of you asked this question. Okay, good. Later, I will show you what is the quick way to count how many square inside. All right. For this question, is there any 3 by 3 square? Good job. I see. Good job. I see the correct answer. No. The maximum here is 2 by 2. So all together, you will have 9 plus 2, which is 11 squares. Well done. After this session, I will tell you what is the fast way to count the square just now. All right. So for square, so far, okay, right? Square is the easiest one. Okay, cool. All right. Now, what if teacher Michelle very bad? I put a tilted square inside or the rotated square inside. This time, how many squares are they all together? Is it only 5? Is it only like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the middle one 5? Is that correct? Where else can you see the square? Hi. Okay, cool. Where else? No. Yes, correct. No. Beside the normal square, the square in a straight like this, normal square, all you have is a rotated or we call tilted square. So what can we do to solve this kind of question? You draw the lines, okay? The normal square lines, the straight line here. The straight line, draw all of it, draw it out. So look at the green color portion only. How many square do you have? You have 4 1 by 1 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one big square, one bigger square, which is in the middle, right? In the middle here. All together is 5. All together is 5. Beside the green color line, do you realize that there are actually diagonal line here? So draw all the diagonal line. Do you have to care about the extra part here? No. Why is it no? Because it cannot form a square with other diagonal line. So I never draw that. I will draw those which can form a square. So inside the rotated, isn't it there is another 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bigger one, 5 in the middle. So here you write it like this. Sorry, I draw it in a tilted way. So you have 4 1 by 1 tilted square, and you will have like this. You will have only 1 2 by 2 tilted square. All together, you will have 2 groups of 5, which is 10. Until here, is that okay? Is that okay, this question? Good job. I see most of the answer correctly. You answered correctly this question. Good job. Answer is 10. Well done. Any question regarding square? Square is the easiest one. All you need to know is this is a rectangle, it's not a square. Square must be 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. You expand like this. Okay, must be very careful when there is a diagonal or tilted square inside. Okay, no question regarding square. After square, we also have another 2D shape which SASMO like to test you on. It's a triangle. This kind of question, if you never learned this before, what you need to do is label, count it in order. This is the kung fu, I can tell you, if you never learned the method before. So here, this triangle is made out of 3 small triangles inside. If you never learned this before, you use slower method. It's fine. You can find out the answer. Inside this triangle is made out of 3 small triangles. So first, can you tell me how many small triangles that made out of 1 small triangle? How many are there? Good job. I saw the correct answer. The first one. You use the fast method, right? So here you will have 3 small triangles inside that made out of one small triangle. 3 triangles that made out of 1 small triangle, which is triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3. So 3 triangles made out of 1 small triangle. Beside triangle made out of 1 small triangle, do you have triangle made out of 2 small triangles? Correct. I see the correct answer again. So 1, 2, you can combine together, become another medium-sized triangle, right? So 1, 2 is a triangle. Beside 1, 2, you will have 2, 3. That is the reason why I ask students to label, so that you can do in order. After you label, you can do it in order. So here there are 2 triangles made out of 2 small triangles. What about triangle that made out of 3 small triangles in total? It will be 1, 2, 3, the largest one, only 1. So here the total is 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 6. If you learn the fast method already, you would directly come up with the answer 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 6. Okay? What if the next question? This time, you have 4 small triangles inside. Yes. If you learn the fast method, you just do 3 plus 2 plus 1. If you learn the fast method for this one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, the answer immediately will be, okay, I see the correct answer. Good job. Immediately is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 10. For those who never learned the fast method, it's okay. Let's find it one by one. How many triangles made out of 1 small triangle? Give me the number. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, good job. 4 triangles made out of 1 small triangle inside. How many triangles made out of 2 small triangles? Do it in order. 1, 2, Then 2, 3. You see, like this, slide over 1, 2. Okay, do it slowly. 1, 2. Scroll over 2, 3. Then 3, 4. All together, 3 triangles made out of 2 small triangles. Now, how many triangles made out of 3 small triangles? You have 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4 only. So 2. How many triangles made out of 4 small triangles? All of them. Only the largest one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 1. So total, isn't it 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1? Total will be 10. Good job. Do you understand this question? It should be easy, right? It should be easy. Okay. Now, this time, it's a bit tricky. But they always like to test you on it. For this one, I give you a few minutes. You try it by yourself first. If you cannot use the fast method to solve, never mind. Label, use the slow method. For example, I label like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's do it together. How many triangles can made out of 1 small triangle? Can you count and tell me? How many triangles made out of 1 small triangle inside? It's actually 1, 2, 3 is also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 pieces are individual small triangles. Now, we know the one, so smallest one is the easiest to find. What about made out of 2 small triangles? What about made out of 2 small triangles? Yes, I can see some of you mastered the fast method just now. 2 small triangles, what are they? Do it in order. If you are looking at it horizontally, then you do it this way first. For example, I first look at it horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2 is a triangle. 3, 4, another triangle. 5, 6, is it triangle? No, then you will have 7, 8. After that, you can look at it vertically. After you're done with horizontal, look at it vertically. Starting from 1. 1, 3, is it triangle? Yes. Any more? 3, 5 is not a triangle. 5, 7, not a triangle. Then another side. 2, 4. Do you see how I do it in order? 2, 4 is a triangle. 4, 6 is not a triangle. 6, 8 is also not a triangle. So for triangle made out of 2 small triangles, you only have 5. This question is a bit tricky. You must be patient, okay? So what about triangles made out of 3 small triangles? Again, let's start from the left side to the right side. Left side, obviously, 1, 3, 5. The most obvious one, 1, 3, 5. And then the second layer, you will have 3, 4, 5 like this, right? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Any more? Yes, the last layer, 5, 7, 8. You see my number is getting, do it in order. We're done with the left side, which have 3. What about the right side? It's actually exactly the same. 2, 4, 6. You see that? 2, 4, 6. Down with the layer, then second layer. 3, 4, 6 here. Okay? 3, 4, 6. Oh, 3, 3, 4, 6. And then you will have 6, 7, 8. So here you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles made out of 3 small triangles. Okay, now what about increasing? Do it in order. Triangle made out of 4 small triangles. From the left to the right, again, do you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is it? Sorry, left side. 1, 3, 5, 7. Is it a triangle made out of 4 small triangles? Yes. So you write 1, 3, 5, 7. Then right side, left and right is like, in this question, left hand side is reflected. Another right side is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here will be 2. 15, so fast. How is there any triangles made out of 5 pieces? Any? Start from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5 pieces? Yes. Since left side and second layer, is there any 5 pieces? No, it's not a triangle. And then the last layer, no 5 pieces. Down with the left side, go to the right side. Do you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is also triangle made out of 5 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here you will have 2. After that, do you have triangle made out of 6 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not a triangle. That means the last one must be all of them. 8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of them. You have the one, the largest one. So total here will be 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is 24. Is it 10, 10, 11, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 24. So what is the Kung Fu that I want to pass to you? All you need to do is label, count it in order. Okay? All right. That's it. I think this question is quite easy. Now, another question I want to specially teach you is 3D shape. 3D shape, they always come up question like this. 3D. Stack a lot of cubes there. So what is my Kung Fu I want to pass to you is label their heights. For example, here, how tall is it? Only 1 cube. If there is 1 layer, label 1 layer first. Then you will immediately know that this will be 2 layers. So here, you will have 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 4 cubes. Is that clear? Do label their height. This is my method, okay? Or not my method. This is my Kung Fu that I want to pass to you. All right, again for this one. Can you tell me how many cubes are there here? Key Kung Fu, label their height. Keyword is label their height. Do it layer by layer. You won't get it wrong. Once you have the number, label. For example, this 1. Label, here will also be 1. On top of that is a 2 layer. So we label 2. This one is also labeled 2. And go further, the inner one is 3. Total will be 3 plus 2 groups of 2 plus 2 groups of 1, which is 3 plus 4 plus 2. 9. The last one is exactly the same. Label their height. Start from the lowest, the shortest one. 1, 1, 1, 1. Any more? No more. Then you go higher a little bit, 2. And then higher a little bit, this 3, 3, 3. And then the highest, 4. This is my method, okay? How I usually solve this kind of question. So 4 plus 3 group of 3 plus 1 group of 2 plus 4 group of 1. Altogether is 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4, which is 19. All right? Yes, good job, Jing. Okay, good job. So what is the key important Kung Fu when you solve this kind of question? Counting, only 2 types they will come up, either 2D or 3D. For 3D, it will always be the cube, stacking the cube. So what is my Kung Fu to you? Label their heights clearly so that you won't miscounted anything, okay? Label their heights. For 2D, the most common one is either square or triangles. For these two, square, you must be very careful. It's just 1 by 1, 2 by 2 square. It cannot be a rectangle, okay? Square, if they ask you for the square, cannot be a rectangle. Now, triangles, these two, my advice for you is label and then count it in order. Count in order. Triangle made out of 1 small triangle, triangle made out of 2 small triangle, triangle made out of 3 small triangle, and so on and so forth. Must be very careful. This topic must be very careful. You can double check. Always remember to double check to avoid any careless mistake. So this topic is counting. All right. Do you understand today's topic? This every year will come up. It's a must come up question. Same as yesterday, the number pattern. This is also a must come up question. Yay? Okay, good job. Yes, good job, good job. Yes, Huang Rong, Linda, well done, well done. Color Jiaping, why so many secrets? I need to dissect your code, is it? Okay, cool. All right. All right, that's it for today. Do you have any question regarding this one? Yes, you do know. Good job, Sharon. Good job. Do you have any question regarding this today's topic? If you don't have, please, We already sent the homework to the group chat. Please complete it and submit. Today, you will get 10 points, sorry. The first 15 students, you will get 10 points, right? Be careful, double check before you submit. Have a habit to double check, always double check, all right? Okay. V? All right, that's it for today. Thank you very much. No? Okay, no question, cool. Any one of you want to know how to solve just now the question, the square? Any one of you want to know what is the fast method for this one, this method, this one? If you want to know, you can type a 2. I will explain. What is the fast method for this? If you are okay, you are fine with this method, totally no problem. Okay, I see some 2 here. Okay, what is the fast method for this square? All right, given that this is a 3 by 3 square, largest square, right? Given that this is a 3 by 3 square, largest square is a 3 by 3 square. Maybe I erase and put it another way. So total is 14. Remember this one, total is 14. Total is 9 plus 4 plus 1, 14. So what is the fast method here? The largest square is a 3 by 3 square. 3 times 3 is a 9. Second largest square is 2 by 2. 2 times 2, 4. The smallest square is 1 times 1, 1. Isn't it 9 plus 4 plus 1 as well? You don't even have to count. 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14. This is the fast method for the square. If this is a 4 by 4 square, if this is a 4 by 4 square, do you know what is a fast method? It will be what plus what plus what plus what? You see this one, the largest, you see example this one. Largest square is a 2 by 2, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. And then you will have 1 times 1 is 1. Altogether, 5. What, my question, if you are interested, you can solve this one. What if this is a 4 by 4 square? What is the fast method for this? Is it 9 plus 4 plus 1 only? You can try, can challenge. Now already twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes, I see the correct answer. Good job. I guess you might be Olivia Daddy, right? Good job. 30 is the correct answer. Why is it 30? Find the pattern here. When the largest square is a 2 by 2, you just 2 by 2 plus 1 times 1. When the largest square is a 3 times 3, it's 3 times 3 plus 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Yes, Aiman, well done. When the largest square is 4 times 4 square, is 4 times 4, 16, 3 times 3, 9, 2 times 2, 4, and 1 times 1 equals to 1. All together will be 16 plus, oh, I don't have enough space. 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. This part we already know is 14, right? 16 plus 14 is 30. This is the fast method. Good job, Akanksha. Akanksha. Yes, that's it for today. Yes, I see a lot of correct answer. Color Jabin, are you Ren? All right. That's it for today. If you have any question, you can let us know, right? If you have no question, please submit your homework by today. Thank you. Bye. Yes, 30. Good job. Bye. Yes.